All right, so now we are going to complete another repair on the front porch section. Keep in mind that this is not its own facet, but it is a transition from it's a change in pitch, but not its own facet. Anything that happens here will be a continuation into the main facet. So we're just going to complete a repair test as requested. So main issue we're seeing here is going to be uniform to the rest. So each single one is inhibited by the very strong tar line. Okay, here we go. But with having as much control over the ply bar as possible, even with a snake, this would be impossible. Okay, I'm gonna give up on that for now. So every time you hear that, this is scooping up the matting or the shingle above it. Okay, so you're seeing right here, there's definitive matting transfer occurring on this, and you saw that what it actually took to at least remove or unseal the shingle from the shingle below it in order to remove a shingle. These two are so adhesed that if I were to attempt to continue this any longer, we would see the same thing that we've seen prior, where the shingles are ripping. And for the sake of presenting this, we cannot complete the repair and leave the homeowners more vulnerable than when this claim was first opened. So, thank you for your time.